So today's class 7 is about loops concept. I'm going to explain loops. We have three types of loops here. Those are do loop, for loop, and repeat. These are loops, and these three topics also covers in blocks. First topic, blocks are four types of blocks we have. That will be covered in class 8 or 9 session. I'll do, and today's concept is about loops. So coming to the loops, do loop. It will iterate from one expression to another expression. Then it will work. Okay, do some variable equals to expression expression 1 to expression 2 by constant. Okay, I'll give you the examples. You understand, right? You just tell them as do loop is work as a normal. I mean, I'll give you this do loop and repeat. Everything will be covered in scope also. Just loops will we just do, you can say loops are three types. One is do loop, and for second one is for loop, and next one is repeat loop. For syntax of for do loop is do variable equals to expression 1 to expression 2 by constant. So just explain like this only in the interview. Okay, I'll go to and I'll give you the examples for this. Few examples I'll give it to you. One second. Okay, I'm going to work on editor. Define variable I as integer, no undo. Then we can take some list. Okay, define variable list as character, no undo. List, we in the list we can give some list of variables. Okay, like we'll give you some 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, or some other alphabets. One second. In the string we have to keep variable. For assigning any character variable we have to give in the double quotes. Okay, a alphabetical order A, B, C, D, some E. Okay, till just 5 iterations is fine. I equals to 1 to 5. Sorry, we can give we can take how many list we have, that we can take directly, or otherwise we can use num entries. Num entries, it's a one of the function. Now I'll explain. Actually, num entries what will work, it will convert whatever the character field will give inside that num entries, it will convert into numeric value. Like integer, it will convert into integer value. It is one of the interview question. they'll ask some functions. So inside that we can expect this as well. Okay, we can use do in front of that. Okay, we have to use. After that we have to give and inside that we just use some message. Some substitute is one of the function. Substitute, I missed this one, I'll tell you. Substitute also it will I mean it will be used in DMRs. Okay, don't worry about this. You just say what if they'll ask you substitute, you just say substitute will be used in DMRs. It will substitute variables, I mean targets into the source string. Okay, so we have to give first one source string as in the double quotes. Okay, list of I. You just, or you can give address of 1, or you can give directly I. You just don't give directly I, just give address of 1. Just we are giving I mean now we are giving targets as 2, right? I mean 2 targets I'm giving. So we have to give first, in first target we have to give I, and in second target list. Okay, list. You just see what is the result we'll get. I'm just running. You are able to see all list of, sorry, why it is getting like this. 1 minute. Okay, I just gave in the double quotes itself. Sorry, we have to give here itself. Okay, now we will get correct list. See, like this we are getting. So is there anything we can do? Or we can sort. I mean with for this list we need a first list of 1 at that place. Did you understand, right?
Yes, Akka.
Then do we need to get only at the list of 1? We have to get A. So what can we use here? Yeah, you guys learned functions, right? Which function you can use? We can use I didn't explain, I think entry. Did I explain this one? No.
No, Akka.
No,
Okay.
Akka.
No.
Okay, then it is one of the function. Okay, entry function. Actually, it will separate whatever the string value we have, right? We have bulk characters in a one string. Okay, in that we have to separate anything value like index. Also, we can separate with the index. Also, we can separate, right? We can get the numerical value from the character, right? Like this. This one, it will convert. I mean, it will sort one one character value before comma separate. It will extract that value in the loop itself. Okay, we can run now. You guys can observe. See, it will sort whatever the value. If in the first iteration I in the place of I will get 1. Okay, after second one, when one will go to second one, right? At that place, entry of 2, what is the entry of 2? B will get. Entry of 3, C will get. Entry of D, I mean 4, D will get. Like this we'll able to get the values separately. Okay, these are the 3 functions I missed. Please make a note, and I'll give you the what interview questions also for this. Okay, You guys please do assignment is assignment. Please do please give 3 examples on entry and substitute and num entries. Please write like this only. I mean, like big program. Don't write don't display directly num entries of something like that. Okay. Please give elaborate kind of program. Okay. These are the very less, I mean, less coding program, right? So you can elaborate as you much you can. Okay. Okay. One question. Then do is completed. Should I need to give one more example? If
Yeah,
you guys,
give.
okay, I'll give you. Example 2. What is about example 2 is, I'll give you. Okay. Then we can take the same. Then instead of that, we can take this. Okay. We just take some 5 or some 10. Okay. Message I equals to I plus list. Okay. It's one of the trick. Okay. Let's see what we'll get inside that do loop and what we'll get outside the loop. Okay. Inside loop we got all the I mean values, iteration values 1 2 3 4 something. If we give the same message outside the string, I mean outside the end, we'll get addition of 1 plus 10. Did you understand?
Second.
Yes, Akka.
Okay. For this one also we can see. Okay, we'll give 5. We'll run it. We'll see how much we'll get. 6. Like this we'll get. So if we give the message inside the block, we'll get different answer. And if we give message outside the block, we'll get different answer. Okay. You just do the exercise on this and give it to me. Assignments. Okay. Please don't miss the assignments, because you guys are learning, right? It's a learning stage. After completing 30 classes, you guys may forgot few things. So that's why I'm practicing all the things. I'll give you all assignments at a time again. Okay. Okay. Coming to for. So for also what for will do? It will iterate. I mean, it will get multiple data of some customer values, some other values we can. Okay. We can from the database table. I just gave you the examples, right? Already you guys know. So we'll do some other different kind of examples here. Okay. We'll see some we have some leave, quit, stop operations. Okay. That I'll give you now. I mean, leave. Under this we'll do some inside the blocks. We'll have leave operation, operation, quit operation, and stop operation. Okay. For this I'll give you some different kind of coding. I mean, program. I don't give this, I don't give, I'll give you. Otherwise, I'll give one more PPT. We have some other PPT. I'll give you that as well, okay? Class 7 TXT, okay? So for leave operation, we'll start, okay? Program. We'll start the program and we'll do. So we can create some blocks. Cust block. Cust block, okay? Now we can create for each customer where customer dot state equals to some nh. So we can put it in frame, okay? With the frame f. So for frame means it will be fit in a one frame, okay? Whatever the values will give to that value, to need to display that values is displaying to the frame. Same frame we can use multiple database tables, and we can put whatever the data we need, that data we can put in the particular frame, okay? Display. So you guys, they'll ask you what is frame. Frame is used to set up the multiple database table fields in one frame, one progress session. So we can use frame like that, you can say, okay? Display customer dot cust num customer dot name, okay? Then order block, we can take order block for each order of customer. Of customer means it is linked to the customer table, okay? Of customer no log by order dot order number. Order means you guys understand, right? Order, if for suppose I am is a customer, I am having some Flipkart orders. So I have to sort that, or that Flipkart orders by using order number. Okay, like that we can assume. Okay, display order dot order number, order dot order date with frame f. Okay, in the frame we can fit it. Okay, so you need to elaborate. It is clumsy, right? You just give tab space and it will show differently. The blocks will be show seeing good. It is separate block and this one is separate block. So you guys able to see, right? So it is very good to see. Okay, non field custom. Sorry, custom. Oh, sorry, I mistaken. Custom. See, you are able to see, right? In the frame we are clubbing two database tables and we are get two database table fields, okay? You are able to understand, right? For each example, this one, did you understand? Any questions? Please ask me. Go ahead, please. Hello, are you there? No questions? Shall I continue?
Okay.
Okay. Then you are able to see, right? In the single frame, we are able to display multiple database table fields. Okay. So I am going to leave. I mean, I am giving a leave statement. I mean, leave. What is mean of leave? It has to leave that block after completing the iteration. So now I am giving order block has to leave order block. Let me run. How many data will get? We'll see. So we got all the data, whatever the data earlier displayed, that we are able to see. So I'll give you this one for one example. Example 1. Example 2. For example 2, can I give customer block here? Okay. I'll give you customer block here. We'll see what we'll get. Only single record we are able to get. Only first record we'll get. Okay. You guys understand, right? What leave will work for inside for loop. I mean, for second for loop, we have to leave that block means we'll get all the data. If we need to get, I mean, if we need to leave first block itself, it will only get one single record. That one also first record will get. So leave will work differently. I mean, it will work as per the block. What I mean, which block has to leave? It's based on block. I mean, based on which block has to leave, it will work. Okay. Then we'll give quit operation. Quit how will work. Okay. I'll give you quit here. Just we should not give after quit. We should not give any named blocks. Okay. Quit. Just quit means what will work, how it will work. It has to quit for first iteration itself. Okay. It will quit. I mean, it will exit. It will for first iteration it will loop. That loop will go in the first iteration itself. It is saying quit. I mean, that program session will stop the iterations and it will show only single record. Quit like this work. Okay. So stop, how it will work? Stop also like quit only. It will work like quit. Same. It will I mean first iteration it will read the data and it will see stop. I mean stop command. So it will stop the stop the progress. I mean processing, and it will get only single first record of output. Okay. See, this is the result. Like this, quit and stop both are same. Okay. If the command which block is having quit operation and stop operation, so it will leave the current block and it will stop the session transactions. It will be stopped. Session will be stopped. So we'll see here what we'll do, how it will work. Okay. We'll see here what are the data we are able to get. we are getting only single record if we keep here as well. Okay, only just in the first iteration itself it is saying to stop the stop working iterations, so it is stopping. Okay, did you guys understand?
Yes, Akka.
Then coming to, please do on exercises on please do exercise and um or 1 second, exercise examples using skip, sorry, stop and skip I already said, right? And quit. What skip will do is it will skip the one line of one new line. Okay, if we give skip here, it will for displaying, after displaying here. Okay, I'll give you that example as well. 1 second. Skip. Now see, we'll remove this stop and we'll see what will it will work. You're able to see, right? We'll get differently. I mean, in the same index, it won't get. It will skip that next. I mean, next to the name, it will skip. I mean, it will show the blank line. After that only, we'll able to display that next display frame. Okay, like this, is skip will work. And explain it. I mean, quit and leave with complete explanation. Okay, complete explanation also must and should. Okay, we have to give explanation as well. Repeat, this is a very simple topic. We have to give a actually here we cannot show. Repeat won't work in online editor. With the repeat we can edit total customer table. We can add, I mean, we can add and we can edit, update, we can do. I'll show you one example here. 1 second. We have some, I have some document and I'll show you. Pen. What it will work is if we keep some repeat, if we give, are you able to see? If we give inside that repeat, insert statement, insert customer accept comments, insert will work. It will edit the total database customer number. Okay, customer data, total data we can edit. Okay, are you able to understand?
Yes, Akka.
Then you guys can I'll share this document also for you guys. Actually here I cannot edit this one. In the progress editor we can edit a procedure editor. You just keep it in mind. Okay, repeat, it will work. It is used to update the total database table fields. It will update total database fields. Please give some examples on do and for. Okay. For and repeat. You can check in online. Okay. If you get any different programs, you can give it to me.
Yeah,
I'll
okay.
okay. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you don't have, I'll stop this recording. If you have, please let me know.